Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to place an order on the Autodoc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below, and after that select a category, then a subcategory. Apply filters if you want to do so to narrow down your search, and after finding the relevant product that you want to purchase, click on the add to basket button down below. Then click on the shopping cart icon down below, which is the third icon. Here you can find all of the items added to your cart. If you want to check out, click on the checkout button to finalize the process of ordering these items. Then the next step is to type in your email address into this box. Click on next down below. Here you should select the shipping information, such as selecting whether it's an individual or a company order. Then add personal information, including your name and then your last name. Then your address and your phone number should be set, as well as your street number or street address, house number, and address extension, but it's optional. Then add your postcode, city, town, and then you should proceed to the payment method, where you need to add your card number and other payment information to finalize the process of placing your order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.